In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Poshmark app not working. First, let's start by force closing the Poshmark app and then reopening it. You can do this by double tapping your home button or swiping up from the bottom of the screen depending on your device. Locate the Poshmark app and swipe it away. This action clears any temporary glitches that may be causing issues with the app. Once done, open the app again. If it still doesn't work, the next step is to restart your phone. This simple trick often resolves many temporary issues, ensuring your device runs smoothly. After the restart, give the Poshmark app another try. Next up, check whether Poshmark is down. You can do this by visiting an outage tracker website or searching online for reports of Poshmark outages. This step is crucial because if the app is experiencing widespread issues, you might not be the only one facing difficulties. Recent outage trackers show that if there's no widespread outage, the problem likely resides within your device or account. Knowing this can save you time and effort in troubleshooting. Now let's move on to updating the Poshmark app. Head to the App Store if you're using an iPhone or Google Play if you're on Android. Look for Poshmark in your Updates section. Poshmark regularly releases updates and feature changes which may solve many bugs or glitches. Make sure to tap Update if an update is available. Once the update is complete, try opening the app again. This often provides fixes that enhance performance and security. Next, check your internet connection. Ensure that you are connected to either Wi-Fi or mobile data. Sometimes connectivity issues can cause the app to misbehave. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. Also, if you use a VPN, temporarily disable it to see if that resolves the issue. This step is important because a stable internet connection is vital for the app's functionality. If the app still isn't working, it's time to clear the app's cache if you are on Android. Go to your device's settings, find the Apps section, and select Poshmark. From there, tap on Storage and then Clear Cache. This process can resolve many performance issues. If you are using an iPhone, you may need to uninstall and then reinstall the app. Apple recommends this approach for apps that won't open or keep crashing. Reinstalling can often refresh the app entirely, making it work better. Now, make sure your phone's operating system is up to date. Go into your device's settings and check for any available updates. Google and Apple both recommend keeping your system updated, as this can impact app performance. Installing the latest updates ensures that you have all the latest features and security patches, which can help apps run more smoothly. After that, sign out of Poshmark and sign back in. To do this, navigate to your account settings within the app and look for the sign out option. If you've forgotten your password, simply use the account recovery option provided. Signing out and back in can refresh your session and resolve minor account-related issues. Finally, if you notice features such as search, saved searches, likes, or listings looking different, it may be due to Poshmark's recent app redesign. Some users have reported problems with search filters and saved searches after updates. Understanding this can help you adapt to the changes and know that they are not necessarily a malfunction. If none of these steps work, it's best to contact Poshmark support through their website at support.poshmark.com. They can provide further assistance tailored to your specific issue. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you get back to using Poshmark smoothly.